for his intervention in everything that is planned, you know.
His ba or her?
He,
Okay. So, iba yan.
I know who you're talking about, but he was horrible talaga. So,
Yeah, anyway. Sige, sige po.
so that's why my point is, how will you now support? You're going to go digital.
Yes.
Okay? Like for us, in Region 6, I'll mention the first part. Internet. Iisa lang ang computer. Iisa lang ang, what do you call it, encoder.
Yes.
And then sinishare yan with the clan, copies, and antique.
Yes.
So this is 3 times a week for 1 week, and then 3 times a week for her copies. So in between, she gets sick already because she has to transfer from one place. So nagpa-pile up.
Yes.
So you said you will have additional people, but
Yes.
that's delayed Laris or something. So they're not under you per se.
Yes. Sila yung service provider po.
Yeah, so what happens if there's a gap? That's what worries me because I have about 100 titles pending.
Apo. You can get, actually, I'll give out my number if you want. For your concerns, you can go directly to me,
Yes.
para ma-expedite natin yung mga transactions ninyo. But if you're done with your question, I can answer. Meron pa? Sige.
Pero po, in relation to the title,
You can take it up with you direct.
no, just one point, just that I think everybody's talking about it. Di ba may new ruling on the issuance of tax declarations and then upgrading it based on the value, market value. So,
Para law, yes.
Katakot-takot na changes. So many of my clients couldn't even make habol the estate planning because nakasalang sa assessor. So kahit naka-request naman kami sa first estate planning, hindi pa lumabas bago nitong June. So there must be a coordination because RD will say they will not release my titles unless the assessor releases their new tax declaration.
Yes.
So that's why I'm hoping that you will make a
Actually, we're in touch with the BNGF. No? The assessors are under the Bureau of Local Government Finance of the DOF. No? We're in touch with them. We have made some coordination. In fact, the RDs are, if you're not aware, members siya ng Local Board of Assessment Appeals. No? So they are in touch with each other, yung assessor. No? But going back to your issue, no? First, may problema talaga sa titling, sa title forms, no? But we have resolved that problem already. Regular na po yung supply namin, no? Kasi ang supplier namin ng title forms is the central bank. And isa lang ang machine nila na 20 years old na, nag-back down. So, ngayon, regular na po. Second, yung sa tao, we're retraining our people. Kasi tulad yan, si Tesorero, matanda na yan. No offense sa mga matanda, no? Pero, they are not aware. Ang mindset kasi nila, Lares lang ang kakausapin. No? Ngayon, tinuturoan ko sila na ang concerns ninyo sa supplies, sa central office, you have a system sa budget process, we call that yung PPMP, yung Procurement Project Management Plan, na bibigay mo lahat ng supplies na kailangan mo for the year. So, marami sa artists hindi aware sa ganun na sistema. So we're teaching them na for your requirements, whether it's paper, ink, computer, padala nyo sa amin. No? That's why I'm also visiting yung iba't ibang artists to see for myself and to encourage yung mga artists to participate and to coordinate with the central office. Kasi before, very isolated sila. They're not aware na, ay, pwede pala sa central office mag-request. So, inaasa na lang nila, kaya makikita mo yung mga opisina bulok. But hopefully, maayos na rin yan.
Kailan po kaya?
Soon, ma'am. I would like to invite you nga, for those who haven't been to the central office, I'd like to invite you to come to the central office and see for yourself, no? Yung mga makikita mo, there are some main changes. No? But these are just superficial changes. Gusto ko talaga yung medyo authentic na change, hindi lang pintura and ganun.
Any other question from the
Meron pa lang tayo?
Yeah. One last.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm from former National Director of PAREB, Alan Rosella.
Parem.
PAREB, that's the another organization. I have a question, Mr. Administrator. Is it possible that we make amendments
Yes, sir. No, I'm willing to support you, ano? Member ako ng Rebab dati, kalaban ng pare. No, but,
Rebab is better po.
ito lang sasabihin ko.
Yes, sir.
Ang problema kasi, wala tayong IPO. Walang IPO eh. Hindi kayo magkasundo. Matagal ko na sinasabi yan sa leadership ng Rebab, ng pare. Magkasundo naman kayo. And if you are united, napakadaling mag-lobby sa Congress. No? But I can talk to, kung meron kayong gusto, we can talk to, kasi ganyan din ang problema ng mga genetic engineer. No? Yung mga genetic engineer, marami, tawag nila, pirmatologists. Hindi updated sa juice, hindi pero pipirma. Kasi pinapasok. So ngayon, wala nang ipapasok sa akin na subdivision plan na hindi good standing yung member ng GEP, the Genetic Engineers of the Philippines. So, in the same manner, if the real estate practitioners under the RESA law can get together and then lobby before Congress, I don't see any reason kung bakit hindi yan mapagbibigyan. After all, kayo yung stakeholder dyan. Di ba? And the intention really of the law is to limit sa mga professional, para hindi naloloko yung mga tao. Ang dami-dami dyan. Mapagpanggap na broker. Walang authority, walang lisensya, walang pinangangalagaan eh. Kaya pumapatol kahit sa fake title, sa mga may issue, mga lupa. But I will support you if you can come together, no? We have friends in Congress. In fact, si Congressman Rufus Rodriguez, he was our sponsor in our budget hearing, and he is willing to help us raw in any of our concerns. So probably since it's under, well, hindi naman under directly ang LRA, but it is a concern that we can bring to their attention.
Yeah, because you can always reject document if you verify that there's no signatory, there's no signature of a licensed broker. You can always go to the website. Siguro gagawin ko, sir, I will request Ma'am Joanna Valencia.
Mag-IPO kayo.
Pupunta po kami ng Congress.
Mag-IPO kasi, alam niyo maganda yan, kasi you will have your ethics board and you can police your ranks. You can do it yourself. Na kapag mayroong mga hindi in good standing, pwede niyong isumbong, tanggalan ng lisensya. Or if there is an unlicensed person, you can report using your organization. Ang problema talaga, yan ang ng mga Pilipino, may kanya-kanya tayo.
Thank you po. Comment lang po, no? We're very excited that your contract is about to expire.
Opo.
I think our chamber will be interested in helping you to come up with proposals on how to improve on it. Di ba, no? Kasi napakalaking tulong kung ang private sector ay i-harness nyo to help out on the new contract.
Yes, so I always consult, no? If kaya nga welcome ko itong opportunity to appear before organizations, no? Lagi kong kausapin. Ibang
Let us
organization.
know. I think our chamber will be interested in providing support.
If you have a position paper, I'd welcome it, no? So that we can see. I've read naman in your website, and meron kayo doon, but medyo lumangin, 2023 pa yung comments nyo doon.
We have a lot to say because kami ang directly na affected.
Yes.
Our last question for the day, Architect Nestor Mangin.
Very quickly po, regarding lost titles,
Loss.
can you find a way out to shorten the process? Kasi ngayon, pupunta pa sa korte, tatlong hearing siguro, it will take about 6 months. Maybe through your digitalization, you can come up with a new process how to reissue the lost titles.
Pag fully digitized na, wala nang loss. Hindi na yan. Hindi na kailangan mag-hearing. But presently nga, but we are coming up with an amendment. But I read your site, parang hindi kayo sang-ayon sa administrative processes, no? Parang wala kayong tiwala pa sa mga tao sa LRA. So bagay ako rin walang tiwala. Pero yun yung sinasabi ko, the fastest way really is through administrative processes. Kasi yung court, masyadong heavy na ang case load nila. And kasi I was clerk of court once, in the priority of cases, nasa last lupa. Kasi hindi naman mawawala yan eh. Ang problema, lagi yan, yung una yung criminal, lalo na pag nakadetain yung suspect. So that takes precedence of if you will allow us, na we will come up with the amendment of the law, kasi mas mabilis daw ang amendment kaysa bagong batas. Ipapasa na lang sa akin, or at least in a committee na composed syempre of competent people and knowledgeable people. I will assure you that if ever, no, na marunong para sa amin na lang, administrative process na lang. Kasi presently, our administrative reconstitution is limited only to about 21 artists. Artists that have been identified na nasunog kasama Quezon City, Isabela, Naga, yun lang limited. But if ma-amend natin ang batas, pwede natin expand pa rin sa iba.
Administrative is better than judicial. Yeah. So we're closing our open forum. Yes, one last from Batangas. Auring Realon.
Now, nung after ng sailing na po, nakita namin na nag-type ng nito ay ang RD, which is kami po, doon sa title,
Technical description.
opo, sa technical description, may isa pong mali.
Opo.
Yung W, let's say West.
Opo.
Bakit po kailangan patagalin pa kami sa korte?
Court po talaga.
Ay ano po di ba, nag-type po nun ay ang RD, hindi
Yun
naman
nga po.
kami.
Kaya
So,
nga,
paano po sir masushorten yun?
yung ang ginagawa kong remedy, ano po, una, if it is affidavit lang po, pinapa-annotate yung, meron kasi sila tinatawag na RSU, work around yun sa system, pero I think it's a violation of the law. But in some instances, dahil electronic na yung title, pinapa-RSU, yung parang system update na lang yun, na if especially ang may mistake is yung staff. Pero yun nga dinidiscourage ko to kasi pwedeng galawin ng ibang tao yung technical description. But ang workaround niyan, pinakamabilis, annotation lang sa title. There's an affidavit by the genetic engineer or by the DNR kung ano yung tamang technical description. But now, we have done away with that. Meron tayong ETD ngayon eh. Pinapasabit na lang yung technical description ng genetic engineer. Hindi na kami nag-i-input ng technical description kasi nga ang daming mali sa inputting. Dahil yung mga nagtatype, hindi naman marunong. Encode pala, sorry. Wala na pala nagtatype. Encode ang tawag.
So, ang mabilis po, sir, ay annotation,
Annotation na lang po ng affidavit.
Yeah.
Tapos in some instances, baka pwede na i-RSU. But I really strongly discourage po yung RSU.
Okay, salamat po.
I can give out my number no? If for those of you who have other questions or if you want to bring to my attention yung mga problema ninyo, especially yung mga RDs. No? Atin-atin na lang, walang makakaalam kung sino-sino itong mga RDs na to. But usually identified ko na kung sino-sino yung mga problematic na RDs. No? Pero ang problema kasi, wala naman sa inyo gusto magreklamo. Lagi kong sinasabi, mag-file kayo ng complaint para I can do something. No? But without the complaint, wala akong magagawa.
Yeah. Mahirap kasi dahil baka balikan kami.
Yun nga eh.
Anyway,
Ako babalikan.
yeah. So anyway, we're so happy to take note na magre-renew ng kontrata. Let's get involved. Come up with suggested solutions. Huwag na tayo masyadong madetalya on complaints at mali. Tignan na lang natin kung paano ma-improve yung system. For
Opo.
our benefit. Salamat po.
Opo.
Yeah. So
certificate of appreciation is